Alright, we have arrived, and it's about 5 in the morning. And as you can see, they're starting to form the line to get into Disneyland. And the madness begins. And I'm glad we got here early. They're starting to let people in. It's interesting, there's no map set up outside.
Morning. Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
And as you can see, they are individually handing out the maps.
This is awesome.
This is what the Disneyland map looked like on May 30th, a day before. Now I'll dissolve the map to what it looks like today. And Galaxy's Edge is there. They're leading us towards Launch Bay, where we're going to get our wristbands to get into Galaxy's Edge.
Your nails are so cute.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now we're in the holding area for the next hour or so, and then we'll be escorted to Galaxy's Edge. I cannot wait. Alright, and here we go.
This is so awesome. Tie echelon.
And there's the cantina.
Oh, awesome. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, how amazing. Wow. This is amazing. Thank you, John. All right. This is incredible.
It smells like a mechanic shop in here. It's really well done. It must be pumping in the scent.
Were you just bitten by a reptile? A little. Oh, wow. That smells so fast.
This is incredible. This is awesome.
Last group, but this, oh, this is the group I've been waiting for, yes. Come in. I supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, I get all the profits. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go, 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 go.
Go ahead and take your flight credentials. You can head on in this way. Welcome to the Millennium Falcon.
Great, thank you. We're entering the Falcon through the starboard side airlock. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Look at this, a pork nest.
My gunners in second. Gunners in second. My engineers.
Yeah.
There you go. Go ahead.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Let's pilot brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse.
Is it okay to refer to you as a droid? I don't know. This is Robin.
Hi, I'm Mark.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to have you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
I love your shirt.
You guys are all into it. This is great.
All of us are into it, right?
Welcome,
Yeah.
yes.
You can't come to opening day and not be into it.
I know. But
Yeah.
you guys are here on opening day. That's amazing, right?
You guys planned way ahead. Great.
Yeah, that's
We're
awesome.
watching,
Like
scanning.
3 years in the making.
Awesome. Wow.
So
have you gotten your Millennium Falcon?
you did? You flew the
You must have,
spaceship?
like, whew.
Well,
Yeah.
I was gunner, so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And I have some bad news because I think having just flown the Falcon, I don't want to alarm you, but I think there's a cord under that. I don't want to be the one to alarm
I
you.
know it's got
my
all
God.
over my fingers too.
Oh, see, now that's the problem. They're all over.
Got
Oh
all
my
over.
God, look at those. That is commitment.
Yes, but I like your porn, and I'm sure it likes you. Well, nice to see you guys.
Enjoy
Nice
the
to you.
day.
Enjoy
Thank
the
you
day.
so much.
Quite so.
Appreciate it.
Or as we say here, may the spires keep you. May
Yeah.
the spires keep you.
May the spires keep
Spires
you.
keep you.
Thank you.
I'd avoid this area if I were you. Stormtroopers are up ahead. Don't want to get in their
Oh,
bed,
stormtroopers. Oh. Oh, yeah.
so-
Thanks for the warning. Yeah. Take care of it. Yeah. It's really cool. Here in Ronta Roasters, they're using a pod engine to cook the food. That is a nice touch. And here there's a lot of critters ready to be cooked. You guys did an awesome job.
Oh, thank you.
This is really cool. I do have a question. A couple years ago at the Galactic Nights event, Margaret Harrison mentioned that there's one spire that the outpost was named after. Which one is it? Oh,
See
okay.
that foot? Yeah.
Right.
Literally right there. That's the Black Spire.
All right, very cool.
Yeah.
I had a pretty good feeling that was the Black Spire, but now I know for sure.
Yep. Right.
That's it. Okay, awesome. Okay, thank you very much. Nice meeting you
Thanks so
both. Okay, thank you.
Next, we'll go check out Dok-Ondar's Den of Antiquities.
Before we entered, look at the mural segments representing the ancient battle between the two sides of the Force. This mural also decorated Chancellor Palpatine's office in Revenge of the Sith, as seen here. The den is full of collectibles. And there's Dok-Ondar, the Ithorian collector who operates the shop. There's quite a variety of collectibles that can be found here, such as paintings, statues, and holocrons. Holocrons for the Sith and the Jedi. Alright, if we look up, we can see a lot of stuff. And there's a Wampa.
Better watch out.
Here we can see a Medal of Bravery, like the ones we saw Luke and Han get at the end of A New Hope. And over here there's a whole bunch of stuff, including a Mandalorian skull and helmet.
Here are some mounted taxidermy heads of creatures such as a Tauntaun from The Empire Strikes Back. And there's a Nexu from Attack of the Clones.
And there's a gold Jar Jar head. This reminds me of the gold idol from Raiders of the Lost Ark. Actually, if you look closely, you can see the Ark of the Covenant from Raiders of the Lost Ark, as seen here. From this view, we see an IG series droid, the Yoda statue, and the same type of music instruments used by the Cantina Band. Here's a baby Sarlacc. I believe this is a Dianoga in the tank, but it's hard to tell. Here we are in front of the marketplace. We'll go in to see what we can find. There's drinking fountains off to the side. And if you look closely, you can see Dianoga swimming in the water tank. This gives the water a little extra flavor.
You see it? Run away. Don't touch it.
It was a close
Okay.
call.
Don't touch it. We lost a lot of villagers here.
Thanks for the warning. Appreciate that.
Here's some restrooms and a variety of shops. Speeder on the bottom is an M68 land speeder, which can be seen in the movie Solo. When visiting the creature stall, which is an exotic shop filled with creatures looking for a home, a loth cat can be found in a cage. And a loth cat is a temperamental creature, and while at times friendly, are still able hunters with sharp teeth and claws. Their home world is Lothal. Here's some more exotic creatures that can be found in the creature stall. And here's the Toydarian toy maker shop. I love the hanging Millennium Falcon going to the asteroid field. That's really cool. And here we can see Obi-Wan and Darth Vader dueling it out. Looks like Megan has found a friend. This poor droid in the corner has been converted for other purposes.
Ignite the spark! Right fire! Right sun! Until the fire!
We're going to have lunch at the Docking Bay 7 Food and Cargo. Here we can see a trailer-sized cargo pod being brought into the hangar from a spacecraft above. Two other pods are located in the spacecraft on top of the hangar and are stamped as 77 and 83. This is paying homage to the original trilogy, The films were released in 1977, 1980, and 1983. That is really a nice touch. And here's Mary posing with a power droid. And here's the menu. We're going to try the fried Andorian tip yip and the Yob shrimp noodle salad.
Cargo for Sean. Did you have drinks, Sean?
And there's a Yob shrimp noodle salad and the fried Andorian tip yip. Next place we're going to visit is the Droid Depot. It's very cool that they have life-size droids. And here comes the droid parts. And there's C-3PO making his rounds. Here we have a view of some speeders. It's time to try the blue and green milk. Which is your favorite?
They're both good, but I have to go blue.
This is Sabi's workshop. Welcome. Now I know this may look like junk all around you, but all this junk that you see, to us, it's everything. Now builders, open your eyes and take the crystal that is calling to you. Move on to our hilt. The hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber. It is our control center. Now in front of you, you have a chest, first and foremost, to house your kyber crystal. Next are 4 grips to hold on to. The chamber has some spring to it to assist you in placing it. And once you place it, it should light up and you should be able to spin it around.
Please let me know. This one is not.
Go
to the top. This is the top. Make sure that thicker band goes towards the middle.
Once you have placed your grip, you're going to place it in middle.
Please choose an answer.
Which is the one in the
Good choice. Good choice.
Spring to it to assist you in placing it. And once
Baby punch, you began. With the heart of the saber they are joined. Much more they will become. It's time.
place a hand on your hilt. Take a deep breath and activate. Now raise your lightsabers. You have just built the lightsaber, just like the Jedi and Sith before you. And like that, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Go ahead. Builders, please deactivate your sabers.
May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders, for allowing us to be a part of your journey. You have each built lightsabers as unique and extraordinary as every single one of you. Now, who knows? Maybe next time I'll be here telling your stories. Till the spire, boys. Till the spire.
That is a beautiful sight. Wow. Unfortunately, the line to the cantina is very long, so we'll have to wait till next time to go in. Something to look forward to.
Understood, sir. You must be important. Supreme Leader wants to see you.
All right.
Goodbye, citizen. Keep it moving. Clear the way, please. Well, hold. Aren't you clever? I wouldn't do that. You have a good day.
That was a close call. Next we'll go to the old outpost where the ancient forest is. The fine detail and color of the spires is outstanding. The attention to detail is truly incredible. The trash cans are neat. They look sort of like droids. There's the resistant turret, which will be the entrance to Rise of the Resistance. And if you look closely on the ground, droid tracks can be seen. Just like here from R2. And here's part of the queue for the Rise of the Resistance, which is not open yet. Looking forward to it. It's great to look at the spires in the distance. They are beautiful. And there's the A-Wing. That is so awesome. And of course, it's great to see the X-Wing. Wow, it's great to see it close up. Well, unfortunately, our 4 hours is up. It's time for us to leave Galaxy's Edge. We had an amazing time, and we're looking forward to coming back to continue our adventure. Until next time, and as they say on the planet Batu, may the spires keep you.